ni tong ni men.
The correct and the incorrect.
Gong li gong xi zhong ma tang. Men zhong ni tong ni men la. Namba ye wa ce mit jiang. Yan wu den jin cui ni den.
What results from a certain cause and what does not result from it is the correct and the incorrect. Their aspects can be subdivided infinitely. This can be explained through the illustration of the 7 dependencies.
Gong li gong xiong zhong wa gong xin zhong wa tang.
What results from a certain cause
Men zhong ni tong ni men la.
and what does not result from it is the correct and the incorrect.
Namba ye wa ce mit jiang.
Their aspects can be subdivided infinitely.
Yan wu den jin cui ni den.
This can be explained through the illustration of the 7 dependencies.
Men du tong nam tok tong. Nyam tong zhong tong ong xie tong. To pa tong na gen xue je yan wu namba den te jut.
Undesired, desired, purity, co-occurrence, control, attainment, and behavior are explained to be the 7 aspects of dependency.
Men du tong.
Undesired,
Nam tok tong.
desired, purity,
Nyam tong zhong tong ong xie tang.
co-occurrence, control,
To pa tang na gen xue je.
attainment, and behavior
Yan wu namba den te jut.
are explained to be the 7 aspects of dependency.
Ni dong ni men xi xie pe. Ri pe ni je nam dong la. Zo dong so wa zha qin ma. Non dong ri pa ni xian nga.
The correct and the incorrect are understood through the numerous fields of knowledge: craftsmanship, healing, language, logic, and inner sciences are the 5 greater subjects.
Ri pe ni je nam dong la.
The numerous fields of knowledge:
Zo.
craftsmanship,
So wa.
healing,
Da.
language,
Qin ma.
logic,
Non dong ri pa
inner sciences
ni xian nga.
are the 5 greater subjects.
Ngwe ju du gar ka zi tong. De yor nyen ngo ni xiong nga wu.
And synonyms, performance, mathematics, composition, and poetry are the 5 lesser subjects.
Ngwe ju
Synonyms,
du kar
performance,
ka zi.
mathematics,
De yor
composition,
nyen ngo
poetry
ni xiong nga wu.
are the 5 lesser subjects.
Shuru taka dinga na.
The outsider schools can be condensed into the 5 Taka groups.
Zhong chen xie zhok jie ru pa. Xiu pa tong. Xiu pa pa dong zhong pen te. Du na tok chi de ni so.
Samkhya, Vaiseshika, Digambara, Mimamsa, and Karvaka. In short, they are the two views of eternalism and nihilism.
中间
Samkhya,
写着
Vaisashika,
接着吧
Dijambara,
说爸爸
Mimamsa,
中盘
Karvaka.
到切的你
Eternalism and nihilism.
写着马东多的吧三藏阿妈真太有
Vabhashika, Suatrantika, Kittamatra, and Madhyamaka are the four Buddhist schools.
写着马
Vaibhashika,
多的吧
Sautrantika,
三藏吧
Chittamatra,
阿妈
Madhyamaka
真太有
are the four Buddhist schools.
有人牺牲出发间的些路的那么记得容易言语那么你都记都没拉手说
Through the condition of the gathering of the three, object, faculty, and consciousness, mind develops, holding images of objects, having the two aspects of self-knowing and other-knowing, with and without thoughts, and so on.
有人牺牲出发间
Through the condition of the gathering of the three, object, faculty, and consciousness, mind develops.
的些路那么记得
Mind develops, holding images of objects,
容易
self-knowing,
言语
other-knowing.
容易
Self-knowing,
言语
other-knowing.
都记都没拉手说
With and without thoughts, and so on.
更大用着啦参与那么什么下
Imagined, dependent, and fully established phenomena are called the three types of characteristics.
更大
Imagined,
言 on
dependent,
用着
fully established phenomena.
参与那么什么
Three types of characteristics.
人类我女婿不多几些么越美国激动得着那么什么个学单着切莫
Analyzing causes, results, and the very essence are respectively the logic of the Vajra fragments, of the cessation of something existent or not, and of the freedom from unity and multiplicity. To analyze everything is the logic of the great interdependency.
人类我女婿不
Analyzing causes, results, and the very essence are respectively
Dorje Zerma,
Vajra fragments,
Yume
the cessation of something existent or not.
Jigtong Tajar Namba Sim,
The freedom from unity and multiplicity.
Kunshu Tendri Chimo,
To analyze everything is the logic of the great interdependency.
Nasu Wipu Yanki,
Through the dependency of different objects,
Nido Nimatul Hina,
one knows the way of the correct and the incorrect.
Don Gunla on Yerpa,
Once the delusion of clinging to a self that controls everything
Zambu Mumbarap Salni,
is cleared away,
Hiya Gunla Mamumpo,
one obtains the vast wisdom
Hirap Yachin Topanjer,
that unobscures all knowables.